In a dusty attic, Nora discovered her grandfather's old typewriter. Its ivory keys, worn smooth by decades of stories, beckoned her closer with a silent invitation. She hesitated, then pressed a key. The sharp click echoed, soon joined by a gentle hum as she experimented, fingers tapping a hesitant pattern. The sound filled the quiet room. Clack, clack, pause, clack. Outside, rain pattered softly against the window, but inside the typewriter's rhythm grew bolder, more confident. Nora lost herself in the cadence, her words flowing in time with each deliberate strike. She wrote of distant lands and forgotten dreams, the machine's steady pulse guiding her thoughts like a secret conductor. As midnight approached, the typewriter's tempo quickened, matching her racing imagination and the flutter of her heart. Each page that slid free felt like a note in a hidden composition, every sentence a verse in a tale only she could tell. When she finally stopped, the silence felt profound and full of meaning. Smiling, Nora realized she had found her voice in the steady beat of the old machine, a rhythm that would carry her stories forward forever.